It's me, Narcisa. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to get into this unboxing real soon. So if you're interested, keep watching. Alright, so I just got home from work and I saw that my delivery came in and I figured why not use this time to go ahead and do an unboxing featuring my Azalea Wang shoes. So I saw these shoes online and just had to have them, y'all. I really did, because they are so on brand. So let's get into it. Oh my gosh, they're so, y'all, these babies are gorgeous. They're even better in person. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. Y'all, so on brand for me. You know I love yellow. Everything for me is just all things yellow. All things. Yeah. So it's satin, Azalea Wang. These are a size 9. And now I am going to try them on. And I think I'm going to change into an outfit over there on my rack so we can see a full look. All right, so let's do this. All right, so here we are in the shoes. And yes, it's about the shoes, but I had to try on this dress and put the whole entire look together. Y'all, this dress is giving life. I got this from my girlfriend here in Charleston. She has her own boutique online called The Look. So go ahead and check that out. But now we're going to get a closer look at these amazing shoes. So here we are. These shoes are absolutely gorgeous. The color, of course, as I said, very on brand. My color is yellow, that whole crush, like just satin yellow. I just love it. And yeah, I can't get enough of it. Also, I wanted to highlight that these shoes are very comfortable. Like the height is, I don't know the exact like inches, but they're very comfortable. They are soft inside. They're well plushed. I mean, I can definitely wear these all day and not have any issues. So I wanted to slow down the video so you can get a detailed look at the bow on the back. The bow, again, it is the star of the show. The yellow, the satin, everything comes together phenomenally. And I love how it matches with the satin of the dress. So I'll definitely be wearing this outfit to go out for my friend's birthday this weekend. And yeah, gonna be taking some pictures and posting them. So stay tuned for that. I'll come back and probably insert a vlog in here somewhere. But y'all, again, I'm loving it. Guys, well, I do hope you enjoyed this unboxing and try on. As always, God bless, and be sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm on a journey to 1K, and yeah, you guys will get new videos from me every week. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.